Want to make $500 a day using AI without any skills? Let's dive in. First, create faceless YouTube videos. Use ChatGPT for scripts, then Pictory or Canva to bring them to life. Upload them to YouTube Shorts or full-length videos and monetize with AdSense or affiliate links. Next, sell AI-generated digital products. Combine ChatGPT with Canva and Midjourney to craft ebooks, printables, or stunning artwork. Market them on TikTok or Etsy for easy sales. You can also offer AI-powered services on Fiverr or Upwork. Think AI voiceovers, logo designs, or blog posts. Charge $10 to $100 per gig and scale up with bulk orders. Lastly, automate affiliate marketing. Use ChatGPT to create engaging content and promote high-ticket products. Automate your social media with tools like Buffer for free traffic. Pick one of these methods and start today. For a more in-detailed guide, see the video linked below. Comment AI money if you're ready to make money, and don't forget to subscribe for more.